Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller's flashing white light. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you have a flashing white light on your PlayStation 4 controller, it simply means it's trying to connect to a Bluetooth device, whether it's your PlayStation 4, your PS5, or maybe even your phone or PC. So how can we go ahead and fix this? Well, the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is turn off my PlayStation 4 controller. Now I can simply hold down the PlayStation button right on the front here, and after about 10 seconds my controller will completely turn off. Now I'm connecting my PlayStation 4 right now. You can see the blue light. It should go ahead and turn off right now. So there is no longer a light on my light bar. Now, what I would want to do is go to this little hole right here and use a toothpick or something small and place it in there. And this will reset your controller once you go ahead and press this little button. Now we should be able to reconnect the controller to our console. Place your controller back into the sync mode by pressing the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And it will bring you back to the flashing white light, just like this. So it's now flashing. And it should be syncing up to your PlayStation. Now, if it doesn't sync up to your PlayStation immediately, the best thing to do is use a little cord like this, a USB cord, and plug this into the front of your PlayStation 4. And if it won't connect, this will be the quickest and easiest way to reconnect it. So let's plug this into the front of my PlayStation 4 now. Then go ahead and press the PlayStation button. So pressing the PlayStation button, and now I have like an orange light. And what this means is my controller is now charging. So let's go ahead and press and hold down the PlayStation button now. And it just went ahead and flashed white. And now it's reconnected with a solid blue light. Now, another way to possibly fix this is by using a second controller. So grab a second controller and connect it to your PlayStation. Then, what you want to do is go up to Settings, right here, and select Settings. Then scroll on down to Devices and select this option. Then go to Bluetooth Devices right on top. And you should see your controller currently connected. So it's indicated by a green little circle over here and your profile that you're logged into. Now you'll notice some other controllers are connected. So here's wireless controller. This is actually my PlayStation 5 controller, even though it doesn't work. So here's my DualShock 4 controller. Go to your DualShock 4 controller and select it. And then go to Options by pressing this button right here. And then go to Forget Device. Select that, and your controller will now be forgotten. Now you'll want to go ahead and press the share button and the PlayStation button once again on your controller, and go back to Bluetooth Devices under here. And when you put your controller into that flashing white light mode, it should show up under here. Then simply go to the controller under here, and then press X on it with your working controller. And you should be able to connect via Bluetooth. Now if that still doesn't work, go back to the Devices menu and then go down to Controllers and select this. And then if your controller does have like something wrong with the Bluetooth, you can go to Use Bluetooth under Communication Method, and you can switch it to use USB cable right here. So you'll actually be connecting to your controller via this USB cable instead of Bluetooth. Now, when you connect using Bluetooth with a USB controller, it literally is still using the Bluetooth connection. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.